Hi there, today I wanted to go through what is in a Spider Spun stocking kit. So I have a box here and I thought I'd just open it. Everyone who gets a kit gets a box like this, and there's three main components. There's the canvas, the instructions, and the threads. So I'll quickly go through kind of the big pieces in the instructions. First of all, you get a pack of needles, which are awesome. They're size 22 John James. They fit perfectly with the type of canvas that you'll have, and they're easy to find if you should need more. You get a quick needlepoint pocket guide. I think of it like a quick start guide, which teaches you how to start a new thread, end a new thread, the basics of stitching, how many strands of thread to use. And then it gives links to where you can find more videos and resources as well. I'm always trying to keep those updated and include any tips and tricks and frequently asked questions that I get along the way. This is another element. I call it a thread color card, and it has an alphabet chart as well. But the main thing here is this reference image, and why I like to include it is because a lot of people, when you're looking at a canvas really closely, it can be hard to tell what intersection is what color. So I think by pulling back and looking at overall what the image is supposed to end up looking like, you can get a really good sense of which color to put where or when to not stress about it too. The thread color card, these codes match to, and we'll unwrap here, the threads that you'll get in each kit. So you'll get a bag of all the threads, more thread than you can possibly need for each kit, and they'll all be labeled with the color. You can see here, they're all labeled with the color. This is beautiful Appletons wool, and you can look at this and say, okay, I know I need 522, which I know is this color for the sky and the ground, and it's labeled, so you'll be able to tell exactly what's going where. So it's really handy and organized for you. On these canvases, you are using 2 strands. So if you look at the how-to videos, you'll easily be able to see how you work 2 strands together at the same time. But let's go ahead and take a look at the canvas. So it comes rolled like this. So if you're using a frame or if you're folding it, however you're ultimately going to hold it, it's not going to be bent or distorted for you. So I'm taking a little care. I don't want to, this is actually someone's kit, so I don't want to mess it up. And you can see, and just unroll it here. The edges are really nicely taped, so the threads don't snag on any of the canvas, and it's all ready to go. It's exactly the same color coding as that reference image. So I know that, like I said before, that sky and the ground, oops, I'm gonna use this color for it. So that is what comes in a Spider Spun kit. I hope that that's helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed.